Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox could not connect to the game error. So first of all, this error could be your internet issue. So make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable. If you think your Wi-Fi is unstable, you can go ahead connect it to your maybe secondary Wi-Fi. If you have Ethernet, join your Ethernet port and see if it changes anything. Next, what you could try is come below at the search bar, type in network reset. You will see it under System Settings. Select it. Now in this section you're going to have to reset your network. Select Reset Now. It says, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select Yes. Now as you do that, it will automatically restart your device. If it does not, you're going to have to manually restart your device and again launch your Roblox. Now if it's still not working, then you're going to have to uninstall your Roblox. So go ahead and do it from your settings and reinstall again from maybe browser or Microsoft Store. And likewise guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.